Hi, my name is Cassidy Kuhl, and I'm your 2020 National Mrs. Agriculture USA. I want to first and foremost welcome you to the Miss Agriculture USA family. As you're getting ready to start your reign and awaiting those crown boxes to come, I wanted to give you some tips and tricks from a queen and a queen mom herself on how to get those crowns to stay on your head. First and foremost, when you get your crown, you're going to notice that there's no way to keep it on your head. I suggest that you pick a pantyhose, pipe cleaners. Some people use clear rubber bands looped together, and there's even the option of crown clips to get your crown to stay on your head. There's going to be 4 little prongs inside that you're going to want to loop an X that's going to fit over the crown of your head to keep the crown on. I suggest that you allow it to have a little bit of slack so that it fits down over and your crown doesn't look like it's floating on your head. Please be advised that it may take several tries and several different materials to figure out how to get your crown to stay. As a queen mom and a daughter who has very fine, short, curly hair, I found that through pantyhose and the rubber bands that when we finally used the pipe cleaners finally were the trick to get the crown to stay. Once you have that X inside of your crown, you're probably wondering, okay, how do I get it to stay? I highly suggest investing in some clips. I know most of you have seen these at the store. These are my favorite that have these little 3 prongs to them. They tend to dig in and grip the hair just a little bit better. That's my personal preference. And I would also suggest, along with the pipe cleaner or pantyhose, that you, with your clips, find a color that matches your hair best. You're gonna want your crown to fit down over your head, and you're gonna want it to stay on there nice and tight, because when you're out at events, you might be helping with animals or petting animals, hugging people, walking around, and you don't want that crown to be slipping and falling and you having to keep messing with it, and you don't want a crooked crown in a picture. For the little ones, I also highly suggest that if you notice the crown is slipping and falling, trying to pull their hair up in a ponytail or a half pony to give a little bit extra hair on top for it to grip into. As you can see with mine, it's not slipping, it's not falling, it's there, and it's rounded over the crown of my head. As far as carrying your crown, I purchased one of these off of Amazon, but you can also find them at Walmart, and they're in different sizes. And you're gonna wanna find one that fits your stuff best. I personally like this one because I can carry 2 crowns, 2 sashes, hair, brush, hair ties. I have a little container that I keep all of my clips in, because you're always going to want to have extra clips with you, because clips disappear like bobby pins and socks. You never know where they go. So I always have plenty of extra clips with me. I also recommend keeping a shirt possibly in your box, and then I always keep my box in my car, because you never know when an opportunity to be an advocate is going to come out in front of you, and you want to be ready and prepared to go. I just wanted to say welcome, and I hope that these things help you to know how to wear your crown. Remember to be patient, to give yourself time, because the first time it may not work and you may have to try different things, but just remember that it's your head, it's your crown, and it's how it fits you. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, I'm Cassidy. I'm your National Mrs. Agriculture USA, and I'm always here to help. Welcome.